Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? Let's dive deep into Palantir and provide you with a detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Now, we're here to give you an even more comprehensive understanding. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 24, 2024, our system has identified Palantir as a sell candidate with a score of -1.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a loss of -2.39%. This means it has been averaging a daily loss of -0.80% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, which could present a great opportunity for buyers. If the lower trend floor at $15.51 is broken, it may indicate an even stronger fall in the stock's value. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -9.39% change expected over the next 3 months. This means the stock could see a return ranging from -14.06% to 9.86%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 104.49% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 102.02% and 193.94%, resulting in a price range of $33.03 to $48.06 after 1 year. Today, we have an update on Palantir. The stock price ended at $16.35 on Friday, showing a decrease of 0.668%. On January 26, 2024, the Palantir stock price dropped by 0.668%, going from $16.46 to $16.35. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock had a range of $16.34 to $16.75, fluctuating by 2.51%. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decline of 1.98%. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is usually a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 14 million shares, with a total of 27 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $441.29 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $21.85, while the lowest was $7.14. Currently, the stock price is 25.17% or $5.50 below the 52-week high. It is also 63.67% or $28.65 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 27, 2021, when the stock reached $45. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for PLTR, the stock of Palantir Technologies. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Friday, January 5, 2024, Jefferies gave PLTR an underperform grade and downgraded the stock. Moving back to November 3, 2023, we have a rating from Wedbush. They gave PLTR an outperform grade and put a hold action on the stock. Going back further to September 19, 2023, Wedbush again gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight grade and downgraded the stock. Lastly, on August 8, 2023, Raymond James rated PLTR as outperform and put a hold action on the stock. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on a favorable PE ratio and a price-to-book ratio categorized as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also suggest it is a good time to buy Palantir stock. In today's analysis of Palantir stock, we have identified several important signals. Let's start with the moving averages. Both short-term and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals is also indicating a sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. When looking at potential resistance levels, we find that the stock may face some challenges at $16.81 and $17.10. However, if the price manages to break above these levels, it could issue buy signals. It's worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price, which reduces overall risk. Typically, volume should follow price movements, and this alignment can provide some reassurance. Now, let's look at a recent signal. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.32%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is identified. Finally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, adding to the positive indications for the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has indicated a buy signal. Pivots also showed a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 15 days ago as well. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 33 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. When looking at Palantir's support levels, we find that there is strong support at $15.98. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there is a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. Now let's talk about the risk associated with trading Palantir stock. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that there is a moderate level of volatility and potential fluctuations in the stock price. For the last day, Palantir's stock moved $0.410 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.51%. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.11%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Palantir, let's first explore some key fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. Palantir has an exceptionally high P/E ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share stand at $0.0800. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $17.97. This means that if you're looking to enter a position without owning any shares, it might be wise to wait until the stock surpasses this level. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $15.98. This means that if the stock reaches this level and holds, it could potentially be a good entry point, as there may be a rebound in store. The average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Shiv Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -19.839. In these trades, insiders purchased 8,155,717 shares and sold 12,449,053 shares. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Palantir currently holds several negative signals and we anticipate it to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, January 29th, we expect Palantir to open up $0.130 and commence trading at $16.48. Before we dive into the world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, we strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Our team at Stock Invest wishes you nothing but success in your trading endeavors. Have a fantastic day.